back to Chic Spaces. Today, we are excited to bring to you a beautifully curated 3 BHK apartment here at PBEL City. Every corner of this home reflects calm functionality and elegant designs.
Let's walk you through this functional space, which is a complete blend of emotion and aesthetics.
As we enter, you're welcomed by the stunning handcrafted mural, softly lit with ambient lighting. It instantly sets a warm, artistic tone for the rest of the home.
The formal and informal living areas are separated by a custom-designed partition with architectural glass, offering both openness and definition, a perfect blend of structure and flow.
Next is the Puja unit, a soulful corner of the home. With customized artwork doors and a serene Krishna CNC cutout, it radiates calm and divinity, a sacred space for daily reflection.
The dining area features a handcrafted console that plays with multiple textures and finishes. Overhead, the wooden ceiling with detailed trims adds richness and warmth to the meal times.
The kitchen is a calm haven in beige and white, paired with a subtle quartz backsplash and countertop, creating a serene, efficient cooking environment.
The TV unit in the living area is designed to be bold yet beautiful. Its scale and detailing make it a statement element while housing functionality with grace.
The master bedroom is a retreat in earthy tones, featuring a his and hers closet, a dresser with storage and extra linen cabinetry, all aimed at maximizing space while offering a calm end to the day.
The kids' bedroom strikes the balance between playfulness and calm. With subtle color combinations, artistic wall patterns, a twin study with open shelves, and a playful dresser featuring open box elements, it's designed to evolve with growing children.
The guest bedroom is a clean, inviting space with a soft color palette, a cozy corner study, and a cheerful wall art that adds just the right touch of personality for visiting friends and family.
At Chic Spaces, every design is just not a decor. It's a personal story carefully written for the people who's living in it.
This home at PBEL City is just a reflection of that, where every corner tells a peaceful, curated story. My favorite part of the house is definitely the Puja unit with very intricate carvings for Krishna in the backdrop.
And my favorite part of this house is definitely the master bedroom because of its spaciousness, the ventilation, and the beautiful color palette. Please watch the entire video again to leave in comments about your favorite Chic space.
Thank you.